Hello everyone. Firstly, we took a step to design this dream lab for the purpose of diversity and exposure of high-end technologies apart from today's, which is very helpful to students to improve their technical skills. Now we have come up with an amazing idea to develop a model of dream lab which includes many interesting aspects that will be introduced further in the video.
Let's enter the lab. There is a painting that features Hope Island, which is situated off the coast of Kakinada. Hope Island, along with the mangrove forest, acts as a natural barrier and protects the city and port of Kakinada from storm surges, cyclones, and tsunamis coming from the Bay of Bengal. The hope and protection that the Hope Island gives inspired us to feature it in our lobby area. Further, there exists a study space where students can have an isolated area to read or analyze studies from books. Also, there is a lobby that serves as a waiting area. We also have a server room which is provided with all services which are needed across a network. Now, we move on to an interesting part of our lab, that is the quantum computer, which is a device that computes in a faster and efficient way to solve complex problems that today's normal computers couldn't. It is a large classical computer with thousands of classical CPU and GPU cores. At the heart of the quantum computer are quantum bits or qubits, which can store information in the quantum form. We have designed this scratch without using any open source objects. The main motive of QC is to introduce a variety of technologies to people and include diversity. Post that, we see the hardware workspace in which students analyze the components of computers and explore how to implement them and also get to know their efficiency. And adjacent to that, this is a resourceful place where people work on programming and software integrations with provided computers, and students can also explain their ideas on the whiteboard. The total workspace has a pleasant environment with plants, windows that provide ample ventilation and sunlight. There are also amenities like water and coffee. All these together make the environment quite refreshing. Further on, this is a conference hall which provides a fascinating space for education, training, and presentations, and can also be used for lectures and discussions.
Now let us look at some image differences before and after the lab implementation. At present, most labs in any university or colleges are comprehended only with some computer for students to work on. So we have designed a dream lab with more types of equipment like quantum computer, conference hall, refreshments and study space, which really shaped our lab to be more studious and creative. This escalates the lab environment and makes it more work friendly. We are really grateful for this wonderful opportunity to present our ideas and objectives. Thank you so much.